Kia ora ko Punakoa Waikoi tōku ingoa, tipu ake au ki a Rāhui Pōkeka.
Kia ora ko Sally Waikoi tōku ingoa, no Ngāti Wairere. In 2016, we sat down with Punakoi's Nan. She told us about the land and she gave us the idea that we should build a home here. We were invited to attend a papakainga hui in Te Kuiti. We learnt about the Māori Housing Network. Within the Te Punikokiri workshops, they have people come from Waikato District Council, they have builders and they have mortgage managers, and that's when you can start to sit down and they give you an idea of what's expected. The first time we went for pre-approval for our Kāinga Whenua lane, we read the night, had a break and then come back to it refreshed and reapplied for our Kāinga Whenua lane, and we got that approval, and that was like, yes, we can go to our builders and say, yeah, we've got the money to do this. For me today was about bringing our whānau together to celebrate our new home and this journey that we've been on together with our whānau, with the landowners and the trustees, to show them that this is what we've been up to.
Hey, this is just so exciting, just to see a young couple, doing so well and, moving to place of ownership of land and housing and healthy and good. And so I'm just really proud of this couple, as we probably all are. Also my son.
I love it. We got the keys last week, but every day this week I've been going up to Hamilton and getting little knickknacks for the home and just starting to put things together. We just need to put our own little touch on it, put some photos up, and it'll feel like our home.
Today was all about what can be done if you have the passion and the drive. For me, it's anyone can do it, Anyone just making that impossible possible.
Where are you going to put all your toys? Not sure yet? You have to keep it tidy, Everywhere.
What the Māori Housing Network did well for us was we had awesome support from the regional manager, Patricia Nathan.
It was good working with Auntie Pat because she just, I suppose, validated us to it, told us that, no, you can do it. And they just got right behind us and pushed us through it. Even though there were barriers that we had to cross, she just cracked the whip on us and come on. Personally, I believe this kaupapa is real important because it gives us an avenue on becoming homeowners.
It gives our people an opportunity to live on their land, living in affordable housing. So our mortgage is less than rent that we were paying on someone else's home. So it's just a bonus for us. Yes, I would recommend this to other young whānau, but I'd tell them the truth and everything that they're signing up for. It took me 2.5 years, but I reckon I can shortcut it, but very accomplishable. People can find out about this by going on Te Punikokiri website, where you can go to attend workshops, or you can set up a hui with someone from TPK in your region and they'll be able to assist you.